Today we are actually going to go pick up an Rx7 Fc3s automatic convertible. I have all the parts to make it 5-speed already, and it should be pretty cool. So with that being said, we're going to go check out this Rx7, and then we're going to flat tow it back to the house, no matter how illegal or retarded it may be. So let's get it cracking. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for the guy to arrive. Yeah, and I try not to disclose locations of certain cars that I know are cool. This car in particular, I've known its location for probably about the last year and some change, and just kept it on the back burner until I was ready to buy. So if you look, it's tucked away right there, hiding, hanging out, ready for me to purchase. So yeah, this is her. See what I'm about to get myself into here. Sorry if the steering wheel's on the other side, because it's not right-hand drive. It's just full of spiders. I'm gonna ride this bitch down the highway and probably get eaten by a fucking black widow. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's a little scary, but spiders are cool. New track car. Let's see what we got here. Rotary. Clean, boys.
Bored out the pistons 20 over.
Oh, that's dope. So it's like what size is it now?
Still 21. But it's still 350. I just bored up the pistons 20 with 10
Now I'm in the spider infested car, and this is so sketch, dude. It's so hot in here. It's so hot in this car. I just realized there's no, the interior door is not open. Oh, shit. Oh, this is so sketchy, dude. Yeah, no, just go on the highway normal, but just go slow and put your hazards on. Yeah, so anyways, this is how we're towing this. Super sketch. Yeah, one more thing is you'll notice I totally just hit my head in this car. I'm way too big for it. I think the roof's coming off. Alright, this is sketch. The doors don't open. I have to hold the door open on a highway. Oh my goodness. Yeah, if you guys ever think your life is sketchy, I'm pulling behind this van and I have no brakes. I'm 2 feet away from it. Car is infested with spiders. I got the door propped open with my leg, no seatbelt, going 30, 40 down the highway, 25. Sketch as fuck, dude. That's why I'm gonna die an early death, just know. So I made it back home alive. Car's here. Gonna wash that up and make sure it looks dope. So not terrible looking for a car that has been sitting since 2004. So not too bad. Got some little cosmetic wear and tear, but main idea with this car is you're gonna pull the rotary out and put a 5.0 in it. Should be pretty legit. Sorry, the camera's not focusing, but yeah, should be pretty legit. So stay tuned, follow me, like and subscribe. Thanks.